Hey you, thank you for coming over. Hey YouTube, thank you for clicking in. I am DeVonne, founder of Positive Obsession, a movement that empowers, educates, and urges fashion lovers to look at clothes differently, to love on our clothes differently, to think about the production, the life, and then the afterlife of our garments and how that affects the earth that we live on and ultimately the food that we eat. Our environment, it's circular, and we have a role and we have a part. Today I'll be DIYing one of my sweaters, vintage sweaters. Instead of discarding them or putting them to the back of my closet and never wearing them again, I cut them up and make them something new. I thrifted this sweater about 3 years ago. $275. I lied to you not. I lied to you not. Well, my favorite time that I wore it was for Mother's Day 2 years ago. I'm gonna throw up some photos. All you'll need is 3 supplies: scissors, chalk. This is a chalk holder and scissors for seamstresses, and a tape measure, which just so happens to be pink. Everything happens to be color coordinated, actually. Once you have your sweater, you turn it inside out. As you saw in the photos, the sweater met me at my knee, so I knew that I would have more than enough fabric to create a top and bottom. I turned the sweater inside out. Prior to the video, I already made markings as to where I want to cut. Then you cut. And I've made 2 pieces before where I have hemmed, because I have a sewing machine. I've hemmed the bottom, but the stretchiness of this sweater, I want it to be loose. Skirt, gotta bring in the sewing machine. So for the bottom, I just have to hem one side. As you can see, it's pretty much a bottom at this point, but it's extremely wide and loose. Turn the skirt inside out. Straight hem down, turn it back inside out. There you have it. With this fabric, I could cut it out and create other things that either go with this outfit or something else. When I first saw it, I was like, I can make that into a bomb pocket square, you know? Bomb pocket square. There's some other ideas that came up, like I can make it into a hand warmer, just be cute out here in this New York winter. Right now I'm just going to leave it because I am in love. I'll figure out what I want to do with it at that point, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to leave it in there. And there you have it. Just like the top of the shirt, I want to leave the bottom unfinished, kind of flowing, and I'll try it on for you to see. Check it out. Hey you. Thank you for the click, visit, subscribe, like, peace, click. Thank you for coming, subscribe, love. I really don't want subscribers, and maybe that sounds crazy and that doesn't really go with the algorithm of YouTube, but every time I go to say that at the end or at the beginning of a video, I feel crazy because I don't necessarily want subscribers or likes. I want comments. I want people interested in organizing. I want it to be a spark to go off in people's minds about how they see things and how can they recycle better or make better purchases, or, you know, be mindful of looking at the tag to see where their clothes came from. You know, I want those little changes. I don't really give a damn about a subscriber. I mean, I want you to come back. I gotta start over.